welcome to my channel. I'm Neera and today I'm going to be showing you my Sunday reset. So
I want
it's
to
Sunday
play hide and seek with you.
15th of February. This is the time and today I need to clean my table and I also need to wash my hair and then I also need to plan my whole week for this week, and yeah, I'll just take you along the day. Next day I forgot to end this vlog and I also forgot to tell you one thing. So you must have seen me cleaning my desk. I did clean a little bit more afterwards, and then after that I also wrote the whole week's plan in my book. So I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do this week. First thing for today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday. So I need to prepare for my computer practicals. They're coming up, exam season is coming up. So yeah, they're literally day after tomorrow are my computer practicals. And then I also want to shoot one video tonight. I'm not going to tell you what video it is. Why would I give you spoilers? But yeah, I want to shoot one video this today. Then for Tuesday, and I need to complete my assembly. So basically we have one day for each person assigned. So the word of the day, thought of the day, ECT, I need to do it tomorrow. Then I want to edit one vlog that I went out somewhere the last week. Yeah, last week I went out somewhere, so I need to edit the vlog of that day. Then I have an art fest coming up, so I need to basically prepare for it. It's next week, but still I need to prepare for it. So then on Thursday I want to bake or cook something. I already cooked something today, but still I want to bake something on Thursday. And if you have heard the intro and the outro of my videos, then that music I have made it, and so I just wanted to make a new one because I haven't made any songs for a long time. So for Friday I want to again practice for my art fest, and then I also want to learn one new dance which I haven't done in a while. Last week I was really busy, I was going out, there were a lot of weddings and ECT, so I was not able to learn any new dances or do anything actually. So I want to learn one new dance on Friday. Then on Saturday I want to post one post on Insta, and then I again want to practice for my art fest. Then on Sunday again I want to clean my table because it gets messy every week. I cannot help it, okay? Every 3 days I need to clean my desk. And then I also want to practice for my art fest. So yeah, those were the things I want to do this week. And then I have this weekly goal tracker kind of thing over here. So I want to like study every single day of the week this like week except Saturday and Sunday, and then I want to edit like videos every single like day of the week, because like I really want to post 3 times a week, and I will say I have been completing this goal this year. If you have seen my 2026 February reset, you must have seen like I set up a goal that I want to post 3 times a week, and this goal, like this weekly goal, will like help that goal, which is post 3 times a week. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. See you in the next one. Bye.